Here is how to set fingerprint lock in vivo. If you want to set fingerprint on vivo, you must activate your lock screen first, like this. Open setting. Next, go to security. In security, don't forget to activate screen lock like this. I use pattern, or you can use pin or other option. Next, go to fingerprint. In fingerprint, confirm with your pattern. Next, you can find your sensor, fingerprint sensor on side of your vivo, back or under screen. In this video, I use back side of your vivo, of my vivo. Go to tap start and don't forget to record your fingerprint like this. Hold and pause. And tap done. You can see fingerprint. To test your fingerprint, you can lock your screen like this and tap to fingerprint sensor. Thank you for watching my video.